I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Good morning people, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another ride. Well, today is a Friday and it's the middle of the monsoon season. It's the 22nd of July 2022 and the time right now is 7:45 p.m. morning, and you could have already read the title. I'm off to a new location. Never been here before, and it's a long time since I came on the Kolar road. Bad traffic entering the highway itself from all the way from Vietera to the market. Traffic has been there throughout. Never felt like I was on a open straight highway. But the weather is beautiful today. Cloudy, no sign of the sun, and no sign of rain also, even though it's cloudy. Report, and maybe later on in the afternoon there are chances of thunderstorms and rain. But morning, first half looks good and clear. Not exactly clear, but cloudy. So stay tuned as I ride towards Kaigal Falls, and there's a dam also nearby. We'll have breakfast in Mulbagal, the famous Mulbagal masala dosa.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So I'm just near to Kolar right now. Another 70 kilometers to go from here. About 43 kilometers, need to take a turn off the highway into some state roads. The weather still continues to be beautiful. There's a bit of traffic now. As I started late today, traffic was there. So the roads are slightly better than the initial Well, that was the beautiful Kaigal Falls for you. Hope you like this vlog of mine from Kaigal Falls. Check out the view there. Beautiful. It's a beautiful fall. Wow. So I'm doing this solo today. Since it's a weekday, it's a Friday morning. I don't think anybody would have come. Check out this little lizard. It's as scared as me, probably. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Met a few people who actually follow me on my YouTube, and they were very happy to meet me. Well, I'm heading back right now. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and watch all my videos. It's a steep trek back up. Check out this centipede or in liquid, I'm not sure. So this fall is definitely not for the faint-hearted. You need to have a bit of stamina to come and go. Yo, yo, yo. It's a nice, beautiful, serene place. So had some yummy dosas at this Prasad hotel in Mulbagal. If you are in Mulbagal, you should visit this place. So after a delicious Mulbagal masala dosa, had a special masala dosa, now heading towards Bangalore, back home. So if you want to find the Mulbagal Prasad, famous Prasad masala dosa, I'll put the link, the directions for the same. So do keep following me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and also my Facebook handle is Djmahaneet. Well, hope you like this vlog on Kaigal Falls, and I thoroughly enjoyed the masala dosa. I'm sure you should visit the Prasad Hotel if you like dosas. So keep following me on social media for almost all my latest ride updates. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. Also my Facebook handle also is Djmahaneet. So until my next vlog, see you all on the other side. Sayonara, adios and goodbye.